Hello students, I welcome you all to this YouTube channel Omkar English Classes, and today in this video I will explain the third chapter of the book Snapshots. The chapter name is Ranga's Marriage. This chapter is written by Masti Venkatesha Iyengar. This video is part 1 of this chapter. Actually this chapter is full of fun and understanding of the evil in our society, and that evil is child marriage. How Ranga does not want to get married and how the narrator managed Ranga to get married. Let's start the explanation. Ranga, the accountant's son, is one of the rare breed among the village folk who has been to the city to pursue his studies. When he returns to his village from the city of Bangalore, the crowds mill around his house to see whether he has changed or not. His ideas about marriage are now quite different, or are they? When you see this title, some of you may ask, Ranga's Marriage? Why not Ranganath Vivah or Ranganath Vijaya? Well, yes, I know I could have used some other mouth-filling one like Jagannath Vijaya or Girija Kalyana. But then, this is not about Jagannath's victory or Girija's wedding. It is about our own Ranga's marriage, and hence no fancy title. So, Ranga, he is an accountant's son, and many of the people of the village did not send their children to study outside the village like cities, etc. But Ranga went to Bangalore to study. When he returns to his village, people gathered around his house to see whether Ranga has changed or not. What are his ideas on marriage now? They are same or they have changed. You can see that we can give this chapter the title Ranga's Marriage. Why not Ranganath Vivaha or Ranganath Vijay? But this title is not about Ranganath Vivaha or Ranganath Vijay. I could have used some other mouth-filling like Jagannath Vijay or Girija Kalyana. But it is not about Jagannath's victory or Girija's wedding. It is about on Ranga's marriage, and hence no fancy title. We cannot give any fancy title to this chapter. Hoshali is our village. This is the story of a village in South India, that is Hoshali. You must have heard of it. No, what a pity. But it is not your fault. There is no mention of it in any geography book. Those sahibs in England writing in English probably do not know that such a place exists, and so make no mention of it. Hoshali, the narrator says, Hoshali is not mentioned on the map of India, and those people who have made this map of the world, I think, has not mentioned this village. Our own people too forget about it. You know how it is. They are like a flock of sheep. One sheep walks into a pit, the rest blindly follow it. एक भेड़ अगर गड्ढे में जाती है तो बाकी भेड़ें उसको blindly follow करती हैं. When both the sahibs in England and our own geographers have not referred to it, you cannot expect the poor cartographer to remember to put it on the map. Can you? It means we cannot imagine that those cartographers have mentioned it, and so there is not even the shadow of our village on the map. So इस गांव का मैप पे कोई शेडो नहीं है। सो स्टूडेंट्स, रंगा अकाउंटेंट का बेटा है। बहुत कम लोग पढ़ने के लिए जाते हैं बाहर, लेकिन रंगा गया। जब वो 6 महीने बाद वापस आता है तो लोग वहां पर इकट्ठे हो जाते हैं देखने के लिए कि उसके शादी के बारे में क्या विचार हैं, वो कितना बदला है कितना नहीं। राइटर कहता है कि जगन्नाथ, विक्ट्री और गिरजाज वेडिंग इसका टाइटल रख दें हम चैप्टर का, लेकिन ये उसके बारे में नहीं है, ये रंगा के बारे में ही है। तो उस गांव के लोग ऐसे इकट्ठे हो गए रंगा के घर पे जब वो वापस आया, जैसे भेड़ों का एक झुंड होता है। नरेटर कहता है कि इसको शायद ही इस गांव को मेंशन किया हो मैप पे, शायद नहीं किया होगा। तो इस चैप्टर को बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से ब्यूटीफुली कैरेक्टराइज किया गया है रंगा को इसमें। लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंड नेक्स्ट। Sorry, I started somewhere and then went off in another direction. If the state of Mysore is to Bharatvarsh, what the sweet Karigadabu? Karigadabu is a sweet, mithai, is to a festive meal. Then Hoshali is to Mysore. State what the feeling is to the Karigadabu. What I have said is absolutely true, believe me. Means if someone talks about the feast, कभी कोई किसी दावत के बारे में बात करता है तो वो एक मिठाई के बारे में बात करेगा, करेगा दाबो के बारे में। ऐसे ही अगर हम भारतवर्ष की बात करें तो होशाली की बात करना बड़ा जरूरी हो जाता है। I will not object to your questioning it, but I will stick to my opinion. I am not the only one who speaks glowingly of Hoshali. We have a doctor in our place. His name is Gunda Bhatt. He agrees with me. खाली मैं ही इसकी बात नहीं करता हूँ इतना ज्यादा खुश होके, बाकी जो डॉक्टर है उस गांव का गुंडा भट्ट वो भी बात करता है। He agrees with me. He has been to quite a few places. No, not England. If anyone asks him whether he has been there, he says, "No, Anna, I have left that to you. Running around like a flea-pestered dog is not for me. I have seen a few places in my time, thou." As a matter of fact, he has seen many. We have some mango trees in our village. Come visit us and I will give you a raw mango from one of them. Don't eat it. Just take a bite. The soreness is sure to go straight to your Brahmarandra. I once took one such fruit home and a chutney was made out of it. All of us ate it. The cough we suffered from after that, it was when I went for the cough medicine that the doctor told me about the special quality of the fruit. So in this slide, the writer is saying that Dr. Gunda Bhatt must have gone to any places, not in England but in India, and this is the reason that there are some special qualities in this village like mango trees and mangoes. The writer made chutney of the sour mangoes. If you take a bite of that mango, उसका जो खट्टापन है वो सीधे आपके ब्रह्मरंध्र तक पहुंच जाता है, बहुत ज्यादा खट्टापन होता है उसके अंदर। सो डॉक्टर ने उसको बताया जब चटनी खाई उन्होंने कि यही इस आम की खास बात है, इससे आपको कफ हो जाता है, इतना खट्टा वो मैंगो होता है उस गांव का। Just as the mango is special, so is everything else around our village. We have a creeper growing in the ever so fine water of the village pond. Its flowers are a feast to behold. Get 2 leaves from the creeper when you go to the pond for your bath, and you will not have to worry about not having leaves on which to serve the afternoon meal. So this is the special quality, not mango tree, but also some creepers, and you can get the leaves to have meal, to have food on those leaves. You will say, I am rambling. It is always like that when the subject of our village comes up. But enough. If any one of you would like to visit us, drop me a line. So writer is saying, if you want to visit that place, so write to me. I will take you there. I will let you know where Hoshali is and what things are like here. The best way of getting to know a place is to visit it. Don't you agree? So writer is saying that Hoshali is the village that is very beautiful village, and to know any place to go there is the best way. What I am going to tell you is something that happened 10 years ago. So this story happened 10 years ago. We did not have many people who knew English then. In that village, people did not know to speak English. Our village accountant was the first one who had enough courage to send his son to Bangalore to study. It is different now. There are many who know English. So only accountant's son went to Bangalore to study. That time people did not know how to speak English and to talk in English, but it is different now. Now there are many people who know English. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. What were the two distinctive features of the village Hoshali? Question number 2. How does the narrator give us a vague picture of Indian villages during British rule? Students, answer these questions and send it to me as soon as possible. And subscribe the channel if not subscribed yet. Students, thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this channel and press the bell icon if not pressed. Students, one by one and slowly I will prepare important videos on this YouTube channel to make you understand more and more about grammar. Further, I will also explain many types of grammar topics like passive voice, indirect speech, prepositions, modals, etc. You will find more and more. Thank you. Have a nice day.